Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll probably share very quickly a simple way to find issues based on the project type. Now in Jira, whenever you create a new project, you have to specify the project type. And if you're using a Jira instance where you have Jira Service Management, Jira Software, or maybe Jira Business, then you do have this information. And when you have this information in Jira, you may want to report on it, or maybe you just want to send this information somewhere else. Maybe you just want to know maybe the count of all the Jira software based projects. So this type of project, this information can be used, and that is the great thing about Jira. You can always report on things. Now when you look at your projects, your list of projects, you will of course see this information here. So right now we have something called as company managed business or service management or team managed projects. So this type is basically coming from the actual type of project. So when you create a new project in Jira, you have a few options like you can either use, based on what you select here in the beginning, it could be Kanban, it could be Scrum, it could be bug tracking. So these are of course company managed projects, but you can also have your next 10 projects or team managed projects as well. So this information is of course stored in Jira, and if you look at, for example, these templates, I've covered these templates in the past, but I recommend you to also, if you are trying to learn Jira for the very first time, just play with it. If you're not sure what to do, maybe try to use these particular templates, maybe something like finance, for example, or human resource. Now, let us say you have some projects in Jira like this. In my case, I do have projects of different types, like service management, also company managed software project. Now, when you go to your JQL or your issue navigator, so if you search for it, you can actually use this particular information. So let us see if we have something in the basic. So I try to use basic search quite a lot because sometimes I'm not really sure whether especially when you're dealing with date fields. So try to use the basic search. If you can't find anything here, maybe switch to JQL. So what we want to do is we want to basically do something like project type, and that is it. So you can basically use something like software, and maybe you want to, let us use something like in, and then select here. Okay, so we have business, and if you search for it, you will get all the projects from business based project types. And of course, this information can be of course used for further maybe reporting. So you can always use your own filter, for example. So let us focus on business, and what we can do, maybe we can save it as business projects. And when we have this information right now, of course we have just 17 issues, but you can then go to your dashboard and use this filter, which of course I'm sure you can do very easily. You now have this filter. So this filter might not be there already for you. No, it will not be there. You have to create these things yourself. So the thing is that when you're new to Jira, people always try to do these simple things, and they think it is a bit difficult, but it is not. And that is why I'm creating the video today for you guys. So I hope you learned something new today, and you found this video useful as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye.